Well, today I'm gonna put new struts on the back and also the sway bars, the little tiny ones on the back. But see, right now I took the wheel off. It's all jacked up. So right now, let's see, where is it? Yeah, right now the strut is fully extended. So what I'd like to do is I take a floor jack and stick it under the axle and just lift a little bit to take the pressure off the strut, and then I use it to adjust and line the holes up just right for easy installation for the new one. So what I do, let me make sure the floor jack is, see, and I stick a piece of wood under there so it's nice and gentle on the metal. Okay, it's touching. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of pressure off. Okay. Now, first I'll take the top bolt off right there. I'll put some WD-40 on it. But I think it was 18 millimeter. Just a second, I'll let you know. Yeah, it's 18 millimeter. Let's see if that, it might be hard to do with one hand. I could try it with one hand, but let's see. Ready? Oh, yeah. I guess I was. Okay, now all I'm doing now is just say I put WD-40 on it to loosen it, but I'll take it the rest of the way off. All right, well, I put the top bolt on. Now the bottom one, if you can see it, isn't perfectly lined up. So that's what I do. Let's see if you can see it. Is I'll take my foot on the floor jack. And just raise it just a little bit. Let's see what that. Okay, just a little bit more. See that? Yeah, that looks about right. Put the bolt in. Maybe just a little more. How's that? See if that works. Yeah, that fits perfect. Just put in the holes. Just goes right on there. But then I'll put an 18 millimeter on that side so the nut doesn't turn. And tighten her down. And it's an 18 millimeter up there too. So.